Baker's Delight.
I've been feeling so small.
Hi guys, another day. Today is August 20, mag-alas 4 na ng hapon. So eto yung pa-dinner ko sa aking mga anak. Ayan, sa aking tatlong junakis. Meron tayong liempo and gumawa rin akong pipino. Yan, si Jan umalis kaninang tanghali papuntang Adelaide kasi mayroon siyang ganap doon. Bukas pang uwi niya. So eto yung dinner ng mga bata. Ako, wala. Mag-ano lang ako mamaya. Light lang ako mamaya. Kasi di ba nag-gym tayo. And then, may footy training yung mga bata. Sigla kuya. So, diretso na sila sa footy. Kami ni Holly merong dancing. Si Holly. Ako naman gym. So, mamayang gabi na kayo magkikita-kita dito sa bahay. So, yan guys. Yan yung pagkain nila mamaya. Ang lakas ng ulan. Tingnan niyo yung ulan guys. Tinawagan ko si Jan, mas malakas daw yung ulan doon. Papuntang Adelaide. Mga 5:30 raw siya makakarating ng Adelaide. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Bahay na kami.
Mom, do you like my dance?
Yes, very good.
It's different, by the way.
Yeah. Binubuo nila yung sayaw. Pinut ni Kuya yung Raptors niyang jersey.
No,
What?
next week, this day, Tuesday,
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna cook a sandwich.
Cook sandwich? Make sandwich.
Make a sandwich.
What kind?
I'm having sourdough.
Ah, sourdough. You're gonna bake.
Yeah, but sourdough, and I'm gonna have grilled chicken,
Mm-hmm.
roast beef.
That's a lot.
No, I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken.
Alright.
And then I'm gonna have cucumber, lettuce, cheese, mozzarella cheese,
Mm-hmm.
vinegar,
Yeah.
olive oil,
Olive oil.
and that butter.
Do you need to make it by yourself or take?
Ayun nila din sa table. Dito na lang daw sila kakain. What?
Other stuff.
Aioli? It's up to you, Kuya. You love that stuff, right, Zach? No, hinihigop niya yung vinegar. Linagyan ko yan ng
Is there
konting
any
tubig.
fat in this?
Yeah, can you see?
This one?
Hoy! Zach, that's not soup.
Wait, good.
Si Kuya naglagay ng aioli. What? Hindi na siya makapagsalita.
I'm gonna go get some.
Alright. Yan yung vlog namin today. So, mga clips lang to guys ng pang araw-araw namin nag-grab kasi ang dami ko pang i-edit no vlogs. Yung i-edit ko is yung pababa pala kami ng Baguio. Ano na. Araw-araw ko nag-i-edit guys pero yeah. Mahaba-haba pa yung aking i-edit. Ilang araw pa. Ilang weeks pa. Kaya ganito lang muna yung vlog natin ha. Pakita lang ng mga ganap-ganap. Like this. Alright. How's your dinner? You like it?
Yep.
Si Kuya, you ate the leftover meatballs. Kumain na siya. So, second time niya na yan. Good?
Yes, there's a meatball.
Alright. See ya guys. See you next time. Good afternoon. Dito kami sa Mount. Pick up ko lang kay Holly. Today is August 21. Dancing niya ulit. And then after ng dancing niya, where are we going?
Kmart, so I can pick my outfit for Friday on Book Week.
Yeah, Book Week kasi guys. So wala siya. Meron siyang ano.
Then what time do I finish my dance?
Elsa, 5 o'clock. Kasi 4 o'clock yung dance mo eh. And yeah, ayaw niya yun kasi nasuot niya na yun. So, tingin kami dito sa Kmart ng kanyang costume for Book Week. And kumakain siya ng cracklings. And ako guys, so, kanina, first time kong mag-run na 5K. So, 5K.
You did?
Yes, I did. Insert ko guys, and sinend ko kay Jan, kasi si Jan, di ba, nasa Adelaide. Sinend ko sa kanya. Hindi ko pa nabasa, tumawag siya. Hindi, sabi niya, nag-reply ako sa iyo. I-insert ko yung pagtakbo ko guys. Hindi siya madali. Tapos, meron pang mga aso na kailangan kong mag-walk. Kasi hahabulin nila ako. So, tumitigil ako pag doon ako sa areang yun. Kasi, 3 aso doon. Yung isa, itim, tapos malaking itim, tapos may isa pa. Basta 3 sila doon.
Well, of course you stopped.
No, I didn't stop. I just like, pag nandun ako sa areang yun, ano lang ako, yung parang nag-walk and nagja-jog.
Wait, you walk all the way to the bay?
No, not in the bay. Oh, hindi naman siya nag-reply. Sabi, nag-text siya. Wala akong ano. Well, yeah, pinush kung makaya ko siya. First time kong mag-run ng 5K. 5K baba. So, yan. So, yan yung ganap namin today. And magji-gym din ako pag na-drop off ko na siya. So, diba? Magpaka-healthy tayo ngayon. Kasi nga, diba? Grabe yung kinain natin. So, kailangan natin bawasan eto. So, oy, get changed now, Baba, because that's enough. Come on. Get changed, please. Pabihisin ko muna to. I did it, babe. 5K runs. So hot. Nahatid ko na si Holly and ako naman mag-gym na. Tali ko lang yung buko. And ito yung ribbon, diba? Okay pa naman siya, guys. Hindi ko yan blinower or ini-straight. Pero itatali pa rin natin siya. Okay. Okay, wallet. Okay, let's go. Ako lang pala. Tapos na ako mag-gym. Pick upin na natin si Holly. May 5 minutes pa naman. So, 4:57. 3 minutes na lang pala. Natapos na yun si Holly. And punta tayo ng Kmart after. Umuulan. Duman muna kayo dito sa Asian store. Kuha tayo nitong sour mango. Okay, hold it, Baba. Ayan na si Holly. Na-pick up ko na siya dun sa dance niya. Lalo pang lumakas. Ayan na yung car natin. Pero paano yun nating saglit kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Wait lang, Baba. Dito na kayo sa Kmart. Okay, maghanap ka na dyan. Yan, may Moana, pero ayaw niya. This is Harry Potter. Meron pa pala dito sa side na to. Yung boys, ang susuotin daw nila is yung footy, ano nila, shorts. At saka yung sando. Yeah, that one. You want that one? Okay, what size? Oh, 6 to 8. It's alright. Sino to? Queen of Hearts costume. Okay. So, yan na lang. Alright. Oh, do you want Nana? Like, Nana?
No, thanks.
No, thanks. How about this one? Which? No? Ano ba itong camera natin? Gamit ko yung DJI. Ayan. Yeah, 6 to 8. You want that one?
Yes, please.
Alright. Ito pwede sana ito kay Sak ko. Pero ayaw ni Sak mag-costume. Tsaka si Kuya, ayaw nila talaga. Oh, this one is nice too. Yeah, you want...
Harlequin. I want Harlequin.
Okay. Ito na lang. Superhero girls.
The ones I wanted.
Si Harley Quinn.
Okay, yes.
Okay. What size? 9 to 10. Oh, it's too big for you. We'll see. Ayaw niyang maniwala sa akin na hindi kasya sa kanya. Mas mataas pa sa kanya to eh.
I need to get
Ayan. 9 to 10 kasi to eh. Ikaw 8, mag-8 ka pa lang. Oh, di ba? Matangkad pa sa'yo. Gusto niya sana to si Harley Quinn. Ano? Balik ka doon sa Queen of Hearts? Okay.
to go with some in this one. We're going this one. Because this one's so big, guys. It's 9 to 10 and my size is...
Ayan, binali ko siya sa lalagyan niya. Oh. Alright. Yan na lang si Heart. Si
No.
$15 lang naman si Heart. Ayan. Queen of Hearts. Ano pa? What else?
Look at these shoes.
Hanap siya ng shoes.
They're like these, but they're different color and this way too small.
White.
White. There's some over here.
Come on. Maybe in the... that one. That one. Dapa. The white. That one.
This one.
Yeah.
Is it my size though?
Yeah. Try it on. What size? 8. Yeah. I think your size is 12, Baba. That's...
Where to tell these can't
No. Yeah, that's right. That's size...
Yeah,
10.
these can't fit.
Yeah. Ay, ang ating DJI ay nakatingala. You need help? Is it fit?
If that's my
Perfect ba or what? Yeah, it's alright. You have to, can you try to walk?
I'll put
No, just one. I know. I think it's a bit big. You alright? You're sure?
it's just my toes up to there.
This is size 12. You're size 12. Try 13 if they have 13.
Wait, am I supposed to wear socks with these?
No. Can you remove your socks, please? Size 12 yung pinakamalaki. Yeah, I think it fits you. Yeah. That's, yeah. Okay. Oh, meron na siyang costume para sa Thursday. Tomorrow.
No.
Tomorrow's
Thursday.
Oh, Friday pala ang
Yeah.
book week mo. Okay. Oops. Nag-grocery din pala kami na mga pambaon-baon nila. Yan. Cashier na kami. Yes. Yeah. Put it there na, Baba. Chicken first.
Mom, we need things.
What thing?
That thing right
This one. Okay.
now. What else is this chicken?
Yeah. All your snacks. An apple. Hi. Good, thank you. It's alright, baby. Just put all the fruits here. Huh? Yeah, cucumber. Alright. And your jam. Jam. We got water here. Bye na kami, guys. Ayan, chine-check na nila yung snacks nila.
Oh,
And
Dad would like the sea salt one.
yeah, this chips. Oh, you got tennis ball. Ang dinner namin ay hindi to, akin to. Mag-chicken wrap kami, guys. So, yun na yung vlog natin today. I'll see you maybe tomorrow again. Mag-unpack pa ako ng aking mga pinamili. Andito yung chicken tender. Yan yung gagawin kong wrap. See you guys.
I've been feeling so so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out.
Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, guys. So today is Thursday. 3:46. Na-pick up na natin si Holly and nakabihis na siya.
And guys, tomorrow it's book week.
Oh, excited na siya sa book week. Nakapark na pala kayo dito sa kung saan siya mag-dance and kung saan ako mag-gym. 4:45 pa kasi yung ano niya, yung dance lesson niya. So may 1 hour pa kami. And mag-unboxing na lang muna tayo. Meron ako ditong package from Amazon. Ito yung first purchase natin or order natin sa Amazon since nung bumalik tayo dito sa Australia. Yeah. So, unbox ko na lang to sa inyo, guys.
Got the little knife, Mom.
So, sinabi ko ba yung date? Today's August 22. Oh.
What you get? I forgot what you
Matagal ko na tong gusto.
get it
Finally.
yesterday.
No, not yesterday.
That's a big box.
Finally dumating na siya.
Oh my god, it's a Stanley!
Oh, diba? Rinibil niya na agad. Ayan,
I've been wanting a
guys.
Stanley, Mom.
You do? Ayan, meron tayo nito na, guys. Yung Stanley. Yung kinuha ko ay cream ata ang kanyang kulay. Ayan. Yung ano to, 40 ounce. Yung pinakamalaki. And maraming issue ang Stanley about sa leaking. So, bumili ako nito para masolusyonan ang paglilik niya. Kasi pag natutumba siya,
I'm gonna use that Stanley for sure.
pag natutumba siya, naglilik. So, eto yung solution. Sa Amazon din to, guys. So, ayan. And, bumili ako nito.
That's big.
Eto, guys. Para rin kay Stanley. Lalagyan ng kung ano-anong snacks.
Oh, so it's like,
Yes.
that is cool! I've been
I
wanting
know.
a Stanley. You're getting me a Stanley for my book.
No, we can just share this one, Baba.
Okay.
Ganyan siya, guys. O, diba? So, tapos pwede siya dito sa car. Kasi, diba, sa
We also
footy
got
ng mga
this.
bata. Tapos, tatambay-tambay lang kami. Ako pala doon habang nag-footy sila. So, yung snack ko, dito ko na lang ilagay. Nakatingin ako sa screen. Dapat doon ako sa lens naka-ano.
Have a box.
Yeah. So, ganyan siya. Mali. Eto. Kaya sabi ko, parang hindi siya balance. Okay, wait lang, Baba. Excited naman tong isa. Ayan. Oh. Kinuha ko ay, ano siya, ito niya yung lighter color na babagay dito sa cream na Stanley natin. Yung ating tumbler. And another one.
Wait, what? That one's for me, right?
No, where's my cutter? Kala ko hindi kayo naka-record. Oh my God.
Is that
So, ang vlog ko, guys, hindi ko alam kung gano'n nakahaba ang vlog natin. Kasi, diba, yung mga pang-araw-araw namin na ganap ang pinapakita ko sa inyo. Yung mga, ano lang. Ano to? Yeah. Ito naman is yung lalagyan natin ng ice maker. Ice maker.
Wait, so it makes
So, lahat
itself?
Lahat to sa Amazon. So, yung kinuha ko ay yung mag-fit yung ice mismo kay Stanley dito sa ating tumbler. So, meron siyang ganito. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. My first, second, third. So, yung kanyang shape ay hango kay Stanley. Yung parang small, medium, and large. So, ayan yung small, medium, and large. So, yan yung paglalagyan natin ng tubig para magkaroon tayo ng ice ni Stanley. So,
Why do you
ipakita ko
put
sa
the
inyo.
ice?
Here, we're just gonna fill the water inside. And then, put it here. Tapos, ano pa siya? Hygienic siya, guys. Tapos, takpan mo siyang ganyan. Then, patigasin. And, ayan. Meron pa akong isang order, pero wala pa. Kasama nito. But yeah, I'm so happy. Finally, meron na
I
ako.
wanna Stanley.
Excited na ako dito. Excited kasi pag nag-edit ako, di ba battle kami lagi. So ngayon, ilalagay ko na lang dito yung ating tubig. Tapos pag di ba lagi kami on the go din. Tapos si Jang gusto niya sobrang lamig na tubig. So
Wait,
ayan,
so that will stay cold forever?
yeah, i-share ko kay Johnny Boy din to. So sharing to sa aming family and Holly. And meron akong wala, hindi. Akala ko bumili ako yung parang mga cutie na cover niya. Hindi pala kasi may kasama na tuwi. Meron na tong kasama, guys. Ayan. And alam nyo ba, nag-run din ako ulit kanina kahit sobrang masakit yung legs ko, guys. So ang ginawa ko, run, jog, and walking combination para lang ko yung 5K matapos ko kanina kasi sobrang pagising ko kanina sobrang sakit ng legs ko. Ganoon naman talaga pag bago ka sa pagbalik ng exercise or running. Ito yung arms ko masakit din pero kaya natin yan. Dadaan lang yan. So ayan, meron siyang tag, so hindi na ako bumili pero maybe in the future bibili rin ako. We'll see. And meron akong ginawang lunch. Insert ko muna yung lunch ko na ginawa sa bahay.
Mom, I saw this on YouTube with a Stanley. If you haven't washed your bottle, then you open the lid and then there's this thing that you can open there, and then if it's dirty inside, that means you haven't washed it. It will be very dirty inside.
Well, I always wash.
No, it doesn't matter if you wash it. It might get still dirty.
Alright. So, eto yung aking
Dinner.
Kasi nagpa-fasting din ako. So, eto yung first meal ko today.
What's it called?
And naka-calorie deficit din tayo. Char! Naka-calorie deficit din ako, guys. Kasi ganun talaga. Nag-enjoy ako ng bonggang-bongga sa Pinas tsaka sa Bali sa mga pagkain doon. And now, back to track na naman tayo sa aking kinakain. So, nagka-calorie deficit tayo. Yung akin is 1,500 to 1,200. So, this time, 1,200 to. So, mayroon ako ditong, nakita nyo naman, sweet potatoes, cucumber, chicken, tapos mozzarella, cottage cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, and konting yung avocado mix, basta, para siyang seasoning ng avocado. Smash. So, yun ang nilagay ko dito. So, yan yung aking kakainin for today, guys.
Is it your randomly thing? Or
yes. 7 minutes
nice?
agad to. Okay. So, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. And ayan yung gym outfit natin for today.
And ballet.
Ballet for Holly. So, we'll see kung hanggang saan naabot ang vlog natin, guys. So, see you next time. Bye. Ilalagay ko na sana yung parts nito kung saan dapat ilagay para hindi na mag-leak yung ating Stanley. Pag nilagyan natin siyang tubig. Kasugasan muna pala natin siya para linis na linis. And dala ko rin yung aking aloe towel, hand towel. Dalawa to, never ko pa sila nagamit since nung binili ko. Naalala ko lang, sabi ko dalhin ko siya kasi diba nag-gym na tayo at least every day, 4 times a week. So, ayan.
Like Monday, Tuesday,
Until
Wednesday,
Thursday. So, ayan. See you next time, guys.
Bye. And like and subscribe if you have a Stanley.
Wow. Comment below.
And like and subscribe.
Alright.
Tell me who you see, 'cause